Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit Acharya, founder of Business People Club. In this short video, I will show you how to create WordPress posts. So once you are logged into your WordPress dashboard from the back end, this is how your dashboard would look like. So go ahead and go to the section called Posts. So once you go in the section, click Add New. So once you click Add New, it will give you form to fill out where you could fill out all the details you want to show up in your WordPress article. So here is the add new post. So here you're going to write the article. So I have a bunch of information ready. I'm going to just copy paste it. So this is my article title and I already have an article ready. So I'm going to go ahead and copy paste my article. It's a good idea to write the article outside of your WordPress dashboard and then you could just copy paste it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy paste the article. Okay, here's a really nice article, short article, 5 ways to increase traffic to your blog. Now here is the article category. Now if you already have a bunch of categories, you don't need to add it, but this one don't have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add new category, and this post is about blogging. So I'm gonna write blogging and add new. So okay, category selected. Now you can see this small editor here. There are a whole bunch of options. So once you click in here, it will also even give you more options. So you could change the color of your text, you could change the size of your text right here, you could make it bold, italic, underline, you could make the bullet points. So there are a whole bunch of options here. If you want to include the website link, let's say I'm just gonna want to put the website link right here. So you could just click here and use the website link. So I would say businesspeopleclub.com, and here is the website link. I should actually add HTTP and apply. So now this word has a website link connected to. So if someone clicks on it, they will go to this website. And here is the tag section. So this is actually related to the blog. So I would say blog or blog traffic. And so this is the tag. This is actually kind of keyword that's connected with your blog, with your WordPress post. So there are a whole bunch of options here. Now here you could set the feature image. If you don't have one, you could just upload it to your WordPress website. So once you click on that, it will give you option to upload any image you like. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that cat image right here. You could choose any image. This is the blog entry, but I'm just going to do the sample post. So set as a featured image. So this is featured image. Now it does not give you more options, but in order to see more options, just go on the top of the screen and say screen options. So go ahead and click on this. And custom fields, if you want custom fields, discussion, if you want to show the comments, slug, which is the last word or sentence after your domain, actual domain, author, who is writing this post. So there are a whole bunch of options. So now when you scroll down under the page, you will have this option show up here. So this is actually the small summary of your post if you want to write here. So let's see, I have a small summary here. I'm gonna just copy paste it here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy paste small summary. So this is the small summary. Custom field, I will leave it alone as is. You wanna allow comments on your post, or you don't wanna allow comments, you could choose here. So good idea to allow it, because hey, this is how you get readers to read your blog. This is the slug. This is how the end of your actual web domain word or sentence. So I would just leave it as is. Once you leave it as is, it will default to this. So I would leave it as is. And here it is. So now in this section, actually you could install any image you like. So whatever the image we put in here, the same image you could just put in here too. So alright, let's see. So all you need to do is just hit add media, and this is the image that we just uploaded, and insert into the post, and we'll insert right here. Now here's, you could choose, you want to make it right or left. So I would say align left, right? So when I align left, the content would come this way and the image would go this way. If you align right, it would go other way. So oh, this one looks better. I guess I'll keep it this way. Now once you are done with it, just go ahead and hit publish. So once you hit publish, your article would be published on your WordPress website. So once it's published, it will say post publish, and now you could hit this link to see how your article look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at how this article looks like. And here we go. So why there are two images? Because we uploaded two images. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this image because I don't want this two images to show here. So I deleted the image and hit update. Now we could go back here and refresh the page, and this is your article, looking really nice. So this is how actually you post WordPress articles. So now you can see I have an option to make comments or reply to comments. It says category of this article and the tags, the keywords related to this article. And this is actually a link. So if I click on this link, I would go to the whatever the link I put it in here. So this is how actually you add new posts to your WordPress blog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to make any comments below, and I would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.